Do you and your partner parent differently? Maybe one of you is more strict while the other bends when the kids cry. You want to be on the same team, but it feels like you're pulling in opposite directions. If that's you, you're definitely not alone. Today, I'm going to show you how to find unity without needing to be identical in your parenting. Hi, I'm Catherine O'Brien. I'm a couples therapist in Sacramento, California, and I specialize in helping couples strengthen their relationships, especially when parenting adds stress to the mix. And if you've ever wondered how to back your partner up without betraying yourself, or how to stay connected when you don't always agree, then you're definitely in the right place. A lot of couples think they need to parent the same way, and the truth is you don't. What kids need most isn't identical parenting, it's knowing their parents are on the same team. So think about it. If one parent says no screens and the other says, fine, 10 more minutes, the issue isn't strict versus flexible. The problem is tension between the two of you. Kids are wired to seek safety and connection, and when they sense division, they feel less secure. So our nervous systems react when our kids melt down, when they're crying, they're screaming. It triggers alarms in our bodies. One parent might want to soothe them, while the other might want to hold the boundary. And neither of you is wrong. But if those differences turn into conflict, your kids see parents fighting instead of actually learning from the moment. So step 1, agree on core values. Don't match every move. Match your values. Ask, what do we want to teach? Respect, kindness, resilience, honesty, and agree on the why and the how can look different. And step 2, pause and support signal. When you're about to jump in, use a signal, a hand on the arm, eye contact that says pause, support now, and debrief later. And step 3, repair together. Parents don't need perfection, they need repair. If one of you was harsher than intended, repair as a team. Say, Mom and I both love you, and we want to handle this better next time. This models growth and keeps the unity strong. Now, I often hear objections like, if I don't step in, I'm failing my kids. Now, not always. Sometimes protecting them means letting them see that both parents are capable. Another objection is, we'll never agree, our styles are too different. Different isn't dangerous. Kids actually build resilience when they see two caring adults do things differently. Another one is, my partner won't change. You don't need total transformation. Small shifts in how you support can change the dynamic. And another one is, I don't want to be seen as harsh. Boundaries don't equal harshness. When you hold a limit with calm and love, even through tears, you teach strength and safety. Now, here's the takeaway. You and your partner don't need to be the same to raise thriving children. Unity doesn't equal uniformity. If this resonates at all, feel free to book a free strategy call with me, and don't forget to subscribe for more couples therapy tools and parenting tools. I'm Catherine O'Brien. I'm a couples therapist in Sacramento. Thank you for watching, and remember, you don't have to be the same to be strong together.